Namaste, I am Ankita Patil. I am passionate about teaching Bharatanatyam. I am disciple of Guru Arundhati Patwardhan and Guru Mukta Suman. I have been teaching Bharatanatyam from past 7 years. I am here to guide you on the beautiful journey of Indian classical dance form.
Bharatanatyam, one of the most iconic and revered classical dance forms of India, originated in the temples of Tamil Nadu over 2000 years. It includes expressive hand mudras, abhinaya, and padanyas. The dance form is deeply rooted in Hindu mythology and philosophy. In my classes, you will learn the foundations of Bharatanatyam form, the basic posture and movements to more advanced techniques. These fundamentals will help you not only master the art but also boost your confidence, personality, posture, and body awareness. Join my regular batches now every Saturday Sunday at Bajrang Chowk, NH Sidco, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar.